they have babies, so it makes sense.
Takes a little longer.
My mom's probably gonna send mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look. That's all right. Oh, okay. All right, we're going to go through the maze now. Come along.
I think right.
All right, who thinks this way? Who thinks this way? Okay, this is one we both can go the way we want, and we'll meet. Okay? You ready? So you can choose either way, but stop when you see me, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. We'll go this way or this way.
I'm staying with you.
Jimmy. Jimmy. Think so too. God, I hope you don't get us lost.
If we do, I'll just cut through the corn.
Yep. Turn around.
Sometimes right is right. I want to pick up the corn and throw it.
Why?
Because
Now we go right.
I'll just check it.
I followed him. He said right is always right, so we both went right twice. Ended up at a dead end.
We're going to go that way now. Okay, wait for us. Wait for us now. You want to go that way?
I'm going to go this way.
That way you can go on up there.
Okay. Stumble. Oh, rock. Or root, something. Corn. They have tricolor corn. Cool.
Okay, let's go. This way. This way. Okay.
At least it's not like that one that I got lost in last year. It took almost an hour and a half for them to find me. Because I kept on going right and I kept on going in the same circle. I only knew this because I took off my shoe. Four.
Let's go this way. Okay.
Rebels. This way, Rebels.
Okay. I know.
I want to touch the corn.
All right, what do you think? You did a little bit of this way, this way, this way. It's this way, and then which way? Nope.
Left. A lot bigger than I thought it was.
I like going on my own way.
I only remember some of this, like how to get away, like not away, but to some place because we drive past right here all the time. And the whole time they were growing. If I did this by myself, I'd be lost. Literally, within 3 seconds. Dead end. I think I see a path. I'm not sure that is a path or not, but oh well. I see the sign.
I was for 9, 10, 11. I'm second.